Welcome to the Accure Data Analyzer demonstration video. I will demonstrate how to run the application in this demonstration video. After installing, you will find the application in the Start menu under Accure. I will start the application, and once you have registered all your information here and accepted the terms and typed in your contact person and email address, you can register and continue with running the application. Clicking the Continue button will fetch the latest configuration from the Accure servers. So this will take a few seconds to get the latest version of all the configurations. You will get to the Settings tab after continuing from the Registration tab. You will select the database type, which could be either a DB2 or a SQL Server, depending on how your M3 environment looks. Type in your IP address or host name of your M3 environment. Also database name and a schema if you're running on SQL Server. If you do not run on SQL Server, this field will disappear. Select your M3 version and a database user and a password. This information will be stored on the user on the application. So next time you open, this will be stored locally on your PC. I will connect to my M3 environment. Once connected, I get to the Runtime tab. I will get a list of all the companies and divisions in my M3 environment. I will select one of the divisions, and then I'll select some of the routines that I would like to analyze. For example, manufacturing order, purchase order, customer invoice, and maybe customer order. I will also be required to select a policy date from which point in time I want to do my analyze. I'll select the date from, and also policy date 2, which is some of the routines will use a shorter time in the analyze, and that's why we have 2 dates. And some of the routines will use a period instead of a date, and then these fields here, by clicking here, these fields will be activated if needed. Once selected the routines I would like to analyze, I click the button Analyze, and the analyze will start, as you can see in the progress bar. Once the analyze is finished, I will get to the Result tab, which will appear in a few seconds here. Now I'm on the Result tab, and I'll have all the information about the routines listed here in the Result tab. As you can see, there are some icons indicating if there is an error or if there is just some information to display. By clicking on the icon here, for example, I will get the results of the selected routine information here. For example, I can see that I have 5,539 records which is orders without any deliveries. Just to limit the result so it doesn't take up too much time, then we have limited to 30 rows for now, and this is totally configurable, and we can get more result rows if needed. But I can also click on the information. I will get that information instead. If I do want to have a printed out report for the entire customer invoice, for example, I click on the PDF icon here. I will get a report online. and I will get the list here, and all the routines displayed underneath that routine will appear here, and also some diagrams displaying the result. If I do want to rerun my analyze, I go back to the routine tab, click on the reset analyze button, and I can deselect some routines, for example, maybe select another routine, supplier invoice maybe, and maybe the job command, and do my analyze again. It will rerun the analyze completely again. And a new result will be displayed. And I can click on the custom order, for example. And I get and you can print and distribute this as you like. This was all I was going to show you on this demonstration video for now. Please contact an Accure representative if you would like to purchase this product. And thank you for watching.